We have the second problem of finding the root of continuous function using the bisection method. So we have the given problem, which is find the root of x to the 4th power minus x minus 10 is equal to 0 approximately up to 5 iterations using bisection method. Let a be equal to 1.5 and b be equal to 2. So now let's solve for the f of x, or the f of 1.5 for this given equation. So f of 1.5 will be 1.5 raised to 4 minus 1.5 minus 10. And this will be alpha x raised to 4 minus alpha x minus 10. Calc, the value of x will be 1.5. This will equal to negative 6.4375. And the f of 2 will be 2 raised to 4 minus 2 minus 10. This will be equal 2. So this will be equal to 4. So now we have the negative value and the positive value. So let's proceed to the table. We have the a, which is the value of a, the b, the value of b, and f of a, which is the value of a when you substitute here in the function and also here in b. And c, we're going to add the value of a and b and divide it by 2. And c is the function of c, and b minus a to find the difference between a and b. So the value of a is 1.5, the value of b is 2, and the value of fa is negative 6.4375, and b will be 4. So if you're going to add this 1.5 plus 2, you'll get, and divided by 2, you'll get 1.75. And if you're going to find the f of c, f of 1.75, this will be 1.75 raised to 4 minus 1.75 minus 10. This will result to negative 23719. This one. And the difference between b and a will be 0.5. So now that we have the negative value of f of c, so a will change to the value of c, this one 1.75, and b will remain the same. And f of a will now be the value of f of c, and b will remain the same, and the c will change because we're going to add the value of 1.75 plus 2 divided by 2. So we'll get 1.875, and you're going to substitute this c, this 1.875 to the x value of the function, and you're going to get this. And find the difference between b and a, so simply subtract this 1.75 from 2. So you're going to get this 0.25. And now we are in the second iteration, and we have the positive value. So this time the b will change to the value of c. So substitute. A will remain the same, the f of a will remain the same, but the f of b, of course, it will change. So substitute this value to the value of x in the function, and you're gonna have this. And simply subtract this 1.75 from 1.875 and you're gonna get this. So again, the f of c, or the value of f of c, the function of c, is equal to the negative value. So again, a will change to this one, the value of c. So copy 1.8125 and copy the b, and if you're going to substitute the value of this one to the x, you're gonna get this negative 1.020248, and the function of b will remain the same. And for the c, add this 2 and divide by 2, you're gonna have this one. And if we're going to substitute the value of c to the value of x here in the function, you're gonna get this negative 0.028773. And if we're going to find the difference between b and a, just subtract this one from 1.875. So we're gonna have this. So again, we are in the fourth iteration and the value of f of c is negative. So a will change to the value of c now, and b will remain the same. So a will be the value of f of c here, this one, and b will remain the same. And if we're going to add this and divide by 2, we're gonna have this one. And if we're going to substitute this value to the x's of the function, you're gonna have this one. And if we're going to find the difference between a and b, you're gonna have to this one. So we have reached the 5th iteration now, and we can see that as we proceed, the value of a and b are getting closer. So it's safe to say that hence the approximate root for the given function up to 5 iterations is 1.875. So that's it. Thank you for listening.